Hey guys, I'm back with another gaming bundle. This time I decided to go to Razer to see what they had. I got this shipped in from Costco. It's their All-Star Series gaming bundle. It costs a little more than the SteelSeries one that I just did. This one is $149.99, but I had gotten this for $20 less like about a month ago. But we're going to take a look and see what we got going on here. So let's just cut into it. Okay, give me a second. I should make quick work of this. First thing we see on opening, the keyboard. I actually don't know. It might be all in one box. I saw this loosely online before I bought it, but here we go. And here we go. Okay, it doesn't come separate. This is literally all in one, just like the other box that I reviewed. But yeah. There's that right there. Let's get into it. Just for your guys' reference, everything in here except for the Viper mouse is the version 2 version of that product. So the Blackshark headphones are the V2, the Ornata is the V2, and the Gigantus mouse pad is also the V2. I don't know how you improve on a mouse pad, but you know, maybe they did. We'll see. There's actually a diagram to show you how large the mouse pad is going to be in reference to the size of the keyboard and the mouse and even the headset there too. So I thought that was pretty cool, but let us get into this. So, well, this one's a lot easier to open. Don't forget, cut away from you. Unless you're cutting down, then I don't know how to properly cut that way. There is a lot more stickers keeping this one together, but also this, for reference, this box is larger than the last one. They're stickers. You could technically peel them, but I know you guys want to see me suffer a little bit, so let us keep going. And they put a sticker right there. Okay. I don't even know how to approach that. Did it work? No. This is pain. See, it says to open here, but I can't. Oh, okay. That was pretty easy. And I still can't open it. Okay. Oh, we're getting lucky today. So, first thing you're going to see on opening this side is that the sticker was not undone there. There's like an empty spot here, but... oh, I am not too impressed. This all comes in really basic cardboard, but I do love that logo. This is for the Ornata. I don't know why that took me so long. I just had to let it register. This is going to be the Gigantus mouse pad right here. Again, we got the beautiful logo, but this all comes in really basic packaging. Going further in, you are going to have to physically remove this little barrier. Oh, it's behind that area right here. This is going to be our headphones right here, the Blackshark V2. Right there. More basic packaging. Love the logo. And the Viper, which is not a V2. So first thing we're going to open is our Viper mouse. Let's see what we got going on. No more stickers, so less torture. It's going to be nice. Okay, we physically see it right here. Very, very sleek mouse, very nice size. It's got the cord wrapped around the back. Again, just like the last video, make sure that if you are opening this for the first time, be very careful not to pull on the cord from the back or it will rip. Okay, well, I didn't expect it to fall out like that, but yeah, it even says that it's from the All-Star bundle on the front. Pretty cool little touch. These clicks are very loud, but I think they'll definitely get some good play time, like good hours. It'll last a long time. Side buttons, we get, oh, okay. This one has side buttons on the left and right side, so if you like hotkeying stuff, this is definitely a mouse you'll enjoy. Oh, and a cool little feature, the USB thing comes covered so that no damage comes to it. And even got the little green Razer strip right there. Awesome. Cool thing I noticed that came out of the mouse package right here, there's actually a little strip you can use for cable management. You can adjust the levels if you want to like, you know, use less cord and have less of a mess. So I think that's really cool that it comes with this little rubber piece. Okay, let's get into the Ornata 2. I am glad that the inside packaging is fairly easy to open. Look at that. Just a quick click and you're in. Very reflective. You could even see the iPhone I'm filming with. Let's pull it out. Oh, that's just the side phone. This is to protect from any, well, I don't know, dust damage during its movement. Ooh. So both the mouse and keyboard are fairly loud. So if you're looking for something that's not like extremely loud when you're typing or clicking, then this might not be what you're looking for, but it is okay. Also, this is a lot nicer than what SteelSeries delivered in their gaming bundle, because this is actually spongy. This will actually help your wrist when it comes to, if you're playing long sessions of Mavis Beacon typing, then this is definitely gonna help you out. So, nice material. Doesn't have a magnet though, because if it just sits next to it, then that's a little disappointing. Oh, okay, just like the SteelSeries, it does have a magnet to connect it, and that will provide a lot of good wrist support. Okay, this one as well comes with the same thing the other one does, a little USB protector. If you happen to not be using a mouse and keyboard, you could always keep it, put it back on so that it doesn't get any dust or the pins don't get damaged. Comes with another one of these if you're trying to keep yourself organized, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, this is the Blackshark V2. Let's see what we got on opening. Some kind of pamphlet, promotional thing. It says, unlock your headset's full potential now. Has a little thingy. Doesn't have a code. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. But yeah, and it's got some instruction manual shenanigans. Let's open the actual box up, see what we got going on. Okay, I like that most of their items come with some form of protection, so that if it's shipping or if you're just storing it somewhere, you have something to keep it in that it actually comes with. You don't have to purchase anything extra, so that's pretty cool. Definitely, well, I did pay extra for this, so I guess that's what I was paying for, was just better quality of, you know, storage. This headset has a little protecty guy. So does the cord. That's cool. More protection for it. I think that's gonna have a little fuzzy tip, which is always nice because it'll keep the sound from sounding overly loud. I like that they come in pouches. I think that's really cool. More cable management. This, oh, okay. Okay. A little different than last time's box. What do we got going on with this? I don't wanna rip anything, but oh yeah. Okay, awesome. This comes with a little fuzzy foam guy so that you're not heavily breathing into the microphone. Let's see what the natural size. Yeah, that's not bad. If you give this to a kid, it'll fit them. And yes, you can extend the size as well for people with larger heads like myself. That's gonna fit nicely. This foam is really nice, but I think it's another one of those things where if you're gaming for extended periods of time, your head is gonna heat up quite a bit. But when it comes to comfort, this is gonna be really nice. Okay, okay. It comes with a pouch too. That's super cool. The SteelSeries one did not come with that. They were definitely cutting corners. This has a little pouch to be able to keep your headphones in. And if you want to hang it somewhere, you could close it like that and hang it. I think that's super awesome. So good stuff to Razer. And the last thing is the Gigantus V2 mouse pad. Let's take a look at it. I noticed this is a very heavy feeling mouse pad, so I think we're going to get some good size out of this boy. Okay, let's open it up. Very nice thickness. Very, very nice. Let's see what we got going on. That's the green side. That's what goes here. And this is the side you will be keeping your mouse and keyboard on. This thing is really, really long. I'm very surprised. Very good thickness and very long. This will definitely fit a whole table. You'll be able to have your mouse, keyboard, anything else you need just on this mouse pad. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a look at what the RGB looks like. I haven't seen it myself, but I am excited to see, so let's get into it. This is what the mouse and keyboard looks like plugged in for the first time. There is an app to change the colors, so if you want to keep them in sync, or if you want, you know, it to flash really fast or anything like that, then, you know, you can do that. But I don't want any more apps on my computer right now. I have enough as it is. But yeah, it looks really nice and has a really good glow to it. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be leaving in the description links to reviews on these items. This is not a review, it is just an unboxing. I was surprised with how much came with the bundle for the price. I think it's a really solid starting bundle. If you're just trying to get in and you just need quick peripherals, I think it's very good. I've had some Razer products before and they do give quality. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and I will see you later. Peace out.